Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 BMW 118i Sport. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 134 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles per gallon, so a good balance there between performance and economy. The mileage is just over 29,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Jet Black, and as we have a look inside on the Sport, first of all, you've got the nice sport seats there with the red stitching, which matches the red stripe that goes through the dashboard as well. This car also has the multimedia screen there for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then you've also got your climate controls below. The first owner chose over £1,300 worth of factory options, which included the enhanced Bluetooth, the Harman Kardon sound system, and also the sun protector glass. Being the 5-door version, nice and practical, so good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and I see the car's still got the original BMW floor mats as well, so that's good to see. And as we open the tailgate, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have a small storage area there on the side, and also a bit of extra storage underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, front fog lights, and the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.